Hey guys, today I'm just going to quickly show you how you can control the interior light of your Fluent in your script. It's really simple, seems super basic, but I just think there are people out there that just don't know that you can do this. So we're going to show you today. In Fluent Control, I'm going to select Commands and then Programming, and we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see these two commands, Interior Light Off and Interior Light On. Simply drag and drop, you can turn your light off. If you need to turn it back on, we're going to drag and drop the on command here. There may be situations in which you want to turn the light on or off, but you don't want to have to run a script, and that's where direct commands come in handy. Simply click on direct commands, find the command that you're looking for. We'll go with interior light off for now. Just right click and select run direct. This will turn the light off for you. You don't have to worry about running a script to do that.